Hello guys! Good afternoon to everyone. Once again, this is Sir Mio Vlogs. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're fine, safe, and healthy. Welcome to my mini garden in Gomez Street, Pamplona 1, Las Piñas City. This is where my mini paradise is located and designated. I hope you're fine and continue praying guys because we're still in pandemic and we have to pray for one another, especially for the safety, protection, and of course, health of everyone. And for today's vlog guys, it's another plant video and I will be presenting to you the one that I have. The genus of this plant is called Pilea cadierei. This is popularly known as watermelon pilea or aluminum plant. Why do we call this watermelon pilea? Why? Because of its foliage. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung pinaka-foliage niya is para po siyang pakwan or watermelon. This is one of the best plant next year based on what I read and researched regarding articles next year. Why is it so popular? Because this is one of the exotic, rare, and of course stunning houseplant in 2023. So the reason why this is called aluminum plant because based on its foliage, just like what you're seeing right now, take a look closely. So it means that the plant or the leaves are splashes with silver color pattern similar to silver or aluminum. So para po talaga siyang binuhusan doon sa kanyang dahon ng aluminum na color or yung hues. What I really love best about this plant, Pilea cadierei, is that it's simple to please. Observe also that I have here two plants because the other plant, by the way guys, this is the mother plant. I decided to propagate one of this by simply making use of the medium stem cutting. What I decided to do for me to have this second plant, this is the baby plant, but take a look that this baby plant is more or is taller compared to the mother plant. So select a mature stem or branch and cut that branch measuring 4 to 6 centimeters, and of course you'll have to be very extra careful because the stems are very brittle and it contains para po siyang naglalaman ng katas na kapag nabali or naputol, that can cause skin irritation po. May dagta din po ito pero ang dagta niya is not white but transparent. Napakaganda, right guys? So observe that for you to be able to have a successful propagation of this aluminum plant or watermelon pilea is that, okay, see to it that you are using loam soil, the one that is fast draining and fast absorbing. By the way guys, this is a 1-year-old plant. So itong pinaka baby plant, so this is for about 4 months old. Sir Mio Vlogs is also collecting different types of plants that are exotic because what I really love about them is that aside from having a stunning foliage, if you try to match it with the other house plants in your home, you can easily check and identify and differentiate its foliage among all of the other pale or green leaves. Ayan siya guys. Also observe that for the soil guys, I make use of ipa. Yung ipa ng palay. So hindi ko po tinapon. So one of my good friends suggested and recommended that it's better to use yung pinaka-ipa compared to yung tinatawag na coco peat. Kasi po mas madaling ma-absorb ng ipa ang tubig compared doon sa coco peat. Ayan guys. So never place this in full sun or direct sunlight because it may lead to one of the worst scenarios that you can have brown edges or dark edges, and then this plant also has a tendency for it to have scorched leaves that we don't want to happen. Napaka-stunning talaga niya guys because of those silver colors or use on its leaves. So observe that Sir May Vlogs is very much happy guys kasi po yung aking propagated na aluminum plant is successful. So if you want to make a successful propagation, so after you plant that stem cut in the soil, do not overwater the plants because that can lead to root rot and magkaroon po ng fungus or bacteria yung pinakadahon or yung pinakatangkay na posibleng maging dahilan para hindi maging matagumpay ang ating propagation. So also, what I did before I plant that directly in the soil is that I made use of cinnamon powder. So bago ko itusok yung pinakatangkay is, of course, binabad ko muna siya doon sa pinaka cinnamon powder. Why cinnamon guys? Kasi po ang cinnamon powder, okay, helps to heal the wounds of that plant before you directly plant that in the soil. Then after that, nung tinusok ko na yung pinaka stem cut doon sa soil, okay, hindi ko siya diniligan. Instead, I only moist the plant by making use of the bottle spray container. Okay, then after that, placing that stem cut propagated plant in filtered sunlight. Do not place that in full sun because the more you do it, baka pwedeng malanta or mamatay ang ating halaman. Then, if you think that the topsoil is already dry, do not water it yet. All you need to do is to make use of a barbecue stick for you to check on its soil. If, for example, kapag tinusok po natin ang ating lupa, kapag may mga lupa na sumama doon sa pinaka-stick, ibig sabihin moist pa din po ang pinaka-bottom part ng ating pot. So never water or do not water yet. Then if you think that the soils are hindi po siya doon sumama sa pinaka bamboo stick or barbecue stick, that's the best time for us to water the plants. We do not want our plants to die or to have staple leaves. I am recommending and suggesting na we'll have to take care of this plant well or excellently. Thank you so much guys. I think that's it for today. If there are house plant or indoor plants, the one that you need me to feature next time or in the next vlog, kindly comment it down below. For those who haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please support me by simply liking, sharing, commenting, and kindly hitting that tiny bell button below so that you will be notified once I have a new uploaded videos. Bye-bye guys, until next time. Ingat po tayo. Still continue praying for those people who need love, prayer and support. They need it the most. Ciao, ciao. Ingat po tayo. Until next time. God bless us all.